What an absolutely gorgeous pixie makeover. She did get a nice classic pixie look here with the bangs to frame out her face. Wow, she looks absolutely stunning to go from having hair so long to so short. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone else who decided to go short with this beautiful bob style. Now the stylist does a nice classic bob here. I love how she has this paired with the red lip. And this bob is so volumized and full. I absolutely love this. Very cute. Next up, we have another dramatic transformation. So if you guys have been following and you're subscribed to this channel, you know that this particular stylist likes to play around with color. He is an amazing colorist. I mean, just look at his hair. And we'll see here in just a moment what he ends up doing. She does already start off with like colored hair. And bam, split dye with the pink and purple. Now this is definitely some bold hair. She does have a really pretty wavy texture to her strands. But this is definitely a fun hairstyle. Something bold and unique. Very cute. Next up, we see someone with hair just around their shoulders. And it looks like she wants to go with the cherry cola trend. Now, if you guys, once again, have been following this channel, you know that red hair is one of the most popular trends for the fall and winter season. It's been trending heavily all this year, but as we head into the colder months here in the States, it's definitely continuing to grow in popularity. So she's going to be getting that very popular cherry cola colored hair. Looks like she also got some extensions. Oh, this is so pretty. Gorgeous hair color. And she went really long with the extensions, creating that nice little mermaid hair trend. Very cute. And then we move into our next hot hair idea, which involves the mini mullet style, also known as the pixie. So cute. I love the spin on this trend. Very cute option if you want to try the mullet, but you want to go shorter. Such a cute style. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.